Hello everyone, welcome back to your English class. In the previous 2 units, we have completed half of the lesson. That is, there's a girl by the tracks. So today, let's start from the 10th para of the lesson. In the previous class, we have seen that Roma Talraja, the call center executive, fallen off the moving train, and she was very much in need of help. At the same time, Baleshwar Mishra, who was traveling in the opposite direction by the other train, saw that very incident and he immediately pulled emergency chain and he requested everyone in his compartment to come forward to help the girl. But unfortunately, no one volunteered to help. Finally, Baleshwar himself moved to the door and jumped from the slow moving train, ran very fast, and finally found Roma, who was badly wounded lying between the tracks. Baleshwar took her into his hand and tried searching for the road. After reaching the road, he requested every motorist for help, and no one came forward for his help to take her to the hospital. So, till here we have seen in the previous class. Look at the 10th para. Innumerable motorists drove by, some even slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood covered woman in his arms. Here, he was requesting everyone. Innumerable means many motorists. The motorist pausing on the road, and they slowed down their vehicles and looked at Baleshwar, who was struggling to hold the blood covered woman. But all the motorists behaved as though nothing had happened. Just when he had begun to lose hope, a tempo truck pulled over and its driver, a middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati, stepped out. So finally Baleshwar was losing his hope because everyone just slowed down their vehicles, watched and went. But nobody is responding to his request. Observe the word to lose. This is a very important grammar point, what you get in the exam. To lose, this we call verb infinitive. Here, the preposition to is added to the root form of the verb, that is lose. So, to lose here is an infinitive. Coming to the lesson, he is losing his hope. At that moment, a tempo truck driver pulled over. Underline the word pulled over. It means moved to the side of the road. That is, the truck moved to the side of the road. And from the tempo, a driver, a middle-aged man speaking Gujarati language, stepped out. Underline the word stepped out. It means he came out from the truck. Now let's move on to the 11th para. Help me, Baleshwar pleaded, and the man helped Baleshwar lay Roma down in the back of his truck. So here Baleshwar pleaded. Pleaded means requested. Who requested? Baleshwar requested the driver take her to the hospital. The driver helped Baleshwar Here, the driver really looked like a gentleman because though others are not bothered, other motorists have not bothered, he helped Baleshwar to keep Roma in his truck. Baleshwar was quickly telling the driver what had happened. When a traffic policeman arrived, "Take the girl to Hairoli," suggested the cop. "There is a hospital there." Underline those two lines. Take the girl to Hairoli and there is a hospital there. In the entire lesson, you will get many extracts. You must underline those extracts and prepare the questions for that. Here, what happens is, Baleshwar was explaining to the driver what had happened and how the accident took place. At the same moment, a traffic policeman, here cop means police, he came and looked at Roma's injuries and suggested Baleshwar. What did he suggest? Take the girl to Hairoli and there is a hospital. Here, the policeman, being a public servant, helps Baleshwar in the way of giving suggestion as a part of his responsibility. But Baleshwar disagreed. Hairoli was at least 10 kilometers away. Here, Baleshwar did not agree to the suggestion given by the cop because Baleshwar knew that the place, Hairoli, was 10 kilometers away from the spot. Because Baleshwar thought each and every moment was very crucial, Roma was very serious. She has lost her conscience, so that he did not agree to the suggestion. Look at the 12th para. "There's a closer place I know of," said Baleshwar. 10 minutes later, they arrived at a small hospital where nurses helped take the young woman in. So finally, 10 minutes later, within 10 minutes, the truck arrived at a small hospital, the hospital to which Baleshwar referred to, and nurses came and took her to admit into the hospital. But as the facility lacked personnel and equipment, the on-duty physician wasn't able to do more than give basic first aid. He advised that she be moved to a nearby hospital. So what happened there? They took her into a small hospital. The hospital does not have specialists and had a few staff members and lacked equipment and facility. The on-duty doctor who was there had given only the first aid. He was not able to give effective treatment. Thus, he suggested to take her to the nearby hospital where she could be treated effectively. Look at the 13th para. Baleshwar and the driver had no choice but to move her back into the truck. When the vehicle lurched forward, Roma steered and her eyes fluttered open. Here, what happened? The driver and Baleshwar finally had no option. They have to shift her to the nearby hospital as suggested by the on-duty physician. When the vehicle lurched forward, observe the word lurched forward. It means to move unsteadily, which is given in the glossary. There, the driver was also afraid of the situation and he is driving his vehicle at a great speed. At that time, the vehicle might have moved somewhat awkwardly or unsteadily. At the same time, Roma steered, underline the word steered. It means to shake or to move slightly. So here, because of the shake of the truck, our eyes fluttered open. Fluttered means open slightly. That is also given in the glossary. Look at the next line. What's your name? Asked Baleshwar, who was with her in the back of the truck. So Baleshwar suddenly saw Roma opening her eyes and asked, what is your name? Because Baleshwar did not know the background of the family. Therefore, he asked. He was with her in the back of the truck while traveling to the hospital, so that he was able to see her opening the eyes. The next line. Roma, she managed to grind out. Underline the word grind out. Here, she was struggling very hard to tell name. With much effort, she was trying to speak. Whom can I call? He asked quickly, fearing that she would black out once more. He asked her immediately, whom can I call? Because he wanted to inform her family, the family members, about Roma and what had happened. Fearing that she would black out once more. Blackout means to become unconscious. Here, Baleshwar feared that Roma may fall unconscious. Look at the next sentence. My brother Dinesh, she said, slowly giving him Dinesh's cell phone number. Baleshwar memorized it and watched as Roma's eyes soon lost focus and rolled back into the darkness. So, what happened here? She slowly said, my brother Dinesh's number. As soon as she had given, Baleshwar memorized it and watched her rolled back into the darkness. Rolled back means she went back to the coma stage. Look at the 14th para. Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Baleshwar asked, and the driver passed him his phone. Here, how Baleshwar addressed the driver. Chacha, it is an Hindi word, it means uncle. When Baleshwar asked his cell phone number, the driver passed the phone to Baleshwar. Dinesh Talraja was wrapping up his day at his marketing job at a retail outlet in Ulhasnagar when his phone rang from a number he didn't recognize. Here, what he was doing, Dinesh Talraja, when his phone rang, he was wrapping up his day's business. Baleshwar got her brother's phone number and he rang up. At that time, he was wrapping. Dinesh Talraja was wrapping up. Wrapping up means he was closing his day's affair, that day's business, because he had retail shop at Ulhasnagar. Retail outlet. Outlet means shop. And he was doing a marketing job. Look at the next line. Dinesh Bhai, a young voice asked, your sister Roma has fallen off a train and we are taking her to Divine Hospital in Gansoli. Here, very hurriedly, Baleshwar said, Dinesh, bye. Bye means brother. Again, a feeling of brotherhood. It shows the type of attitude and character Baleshwar have. Your sister had fallen off the train and we are taking her to the hospital. So he informed her brother the news, exactly what had happened. Here, the hospital name is Divine Multi Speciality Hospital. First of all, both Baleshwar and the driver took her into a small hospital and gave first aid, and afterwards they took her to the Divine Hospital, which is at Gansoli. Look at the next line. I am on my way, said Dinesh, rushing towards his motorcycle. Here, Dinesh boy is also afraid of the situation after he had received the call from Baleshwar, who was not familiar to him, and he was completely worried about the situation. Thus, he rushed towards his motorcycle. Look at the 15th para. Roma arrived at Divine Multi Speciality Hospital and Research Center minutes later. Dr. Anil Agarwal, the medical director there, seeing the extent of Roma's injuries, admitted her immediately to the ICU without any paperwork. Finally, Roma was taken to the Divine Multi Speciality Hospital. In that hospital, Dr. Anil Agarwal, who is the medical director there, came and looked at her and seeing the extent of Roma's injuries, immediately admitted her to the ICU, that is Intensive Care Unit. Here, without paperwork means, usually when we go to the hospital, the receptionists who will ask us to fill the admission form. That is the procedure to get admitted to the hospital. But here, the doctor, without any formalities, admitted her to the intensive care unit, that is ICU. Okay, students, today we will stop the lesson here. The rest of the lesson will be continued in the next unit. Now, all of you take your homework. The first one is, who volunteered to help Baleshwar? The second one is, what was Dinesh Talraja's profession? The third one is, who was the medical director of the Divine Multi Speciality Hospital? Thank you.